OMG, look what was just announced. You get both the 47 quart and the 32 quart, both of them saving $600 for this week only. It was just announced about 15 minutes ago. You do not want to miss out this. Think about all the tamales you can make. Think about all of the chili, the seafood boils, the soups, canning all your vegetables and your everything. These two pots, you are saving $600. They go for almost $1,000 for both of them. Plus, this is going to count as a $400 party, basically. A $400 party, which would normally get you $905 worth of credit that you can go shopping in the catalog. But now you're going to be able to also get an extra $150 shopping spree for $34.95. So that means you're going to get $245 worth of shopping credit. Plus, you're going to get the Fuchsia portable blender. Plus, you can get the early birds. They extended them. So you're going to get the 3-quart non-stick round casserole for $29.95 and the 3-piece essential baking set. All because you want these two big, huge pieces of cookware. They are induction ready. They can be used on your electric stove and your gas stove. This is insane. Get these while you can. The 47 quart and the 32 quart Tamarilla with dividers. 1810 stainless steel, saving you $600. Yes, you can put them on layaway. Yes, you can put 25% down and have 8 weeks to pay them off. This will be a game changer for you guys. This counts as a layaway. Put them in as a party, earn your free credit, go shopping, and get extra things out of the catalog for you. They also added extra super premium. So not only with the $750 party can you get $945 worth of shopping credit for under $180, but you can also get our cook and air fryer oven, our tri-ply 18-quart casserole, but they added our #1 top seller in the last 5.5 years, our high power blender, retailed for over $600 for under $160. Insane, insane, insane. These specials were just all added about 15-20 minutes ago. I just can't believe it. So here are all the specials right here. It's still buy one, get one half, the entire catalog. I was just so excited. I had to hop on here to just showcase all of them. I'm just amazed what Princess House does for us. But these two right here, both 47 and 32 quart stock pots. Wow, 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 wow. Unreal. Princess House has never done this before. You want to get in on these now. This is insane, guys. Totally insane. Get them while you can. You don't want to miss out on it. I'm just amazed. Go for it. Let me know if you want in on these because, again, you don't want to miss out them. Like I said, get both of these. It counts as a $400 party, and you're going to get $245 worth of shopping credit for under $35, plus the Fuchsia portable blender, plus the 3-quart casserole, plus the 3-piece essential baking set. All of this you can get when you order these two pots. Unreal. They just added them. Unreal, unreal, unreal. Get them while you can. I am amazed. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, hop on this now.